What's going on, everyone? Today is Saturday, April 15th, 2016, the day before Easter. We are going to be going over to our cousin's house to celebrate a birthday party for Alex. I believe it's her 5th or 6th. And then also we're going to be doing possibly an Easter egg hunt, because I don't know if we'll be doing one tomorrow. I'm sure, you know, the little kids that would do it. And Brody and Beckham are in the back. It was crazy getting them ready. And of course we're late as always. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. It's after 2. Hey buddy, what's good, my man? How you doing? Yeah, nothing to say, you're tired. This is your nap. This is his nap time, both of them. So this is going to be a difficult day for us, man. Hopefully they can enjoy themselves. Difficult day for them as well. What you doing back on Buckets? How you doing over there, fatty? What's going on, man? How you doing? Look, they're both all dressed up. You see them in the mirror. Oh, I'm blocking it. There's Brody. Got his jeans on, too. He's flowing. He got his Back to the Future jacket on again. Oh, yeah, we're going to enjoy ourselves. We're here, Beckham. We're here, Brody. Brody, we're here. Back to the Future. It's party time, guys. Wake up.
He's eating both.
Beckham's upset. He's got some book in his eye, too. Brody, we missed the egg hunt, dude.
It's alright, we can throw them out.
Yeah, we can hide some more eggs.
Yeah, we can hide some more. He's like, I'm ready.
Yeah, he loves it. It's a baby.
Can I take them out?
Yeah, feel free. He'll be okay.
Oh, my knees.
Yes.
Alright, that's fine.
He's fine. Once someone holds him, he's always fine.
Yeah.
It's okay. Hey.
He's sick.
Oh, look, we got eggs, Brody. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Look at all these eggs. We're going to have to hide some for you. Keith's over here being Mr. Photographer. You get a picture of you just laying like that, holding the camera on the ground. I know, right? Hey! Whoa! Reverse.
No. Monica.
See too many videos of children getting run over by these
Nobody's
things.
going downhill.
Brody hasn't moved. You got Keith doing
Jackson, come over here. Over here. Why? Nobody can take it. Jackson, over here. Oh. Back it up. Back up over here. Back up to your dad.
You had a little place tonight, buddy. You need your socks to be clean.
God, dude. Find more?
In
5 minutes to be your time.
It's up to you. Do you guys want to come to my house? We're going to have an Easter egg.
I think the Easter Bunny's coming here tomorrow.
Team's
for Chrissy and
cruising.
Alex.
Cruising. Yeah, Bo, what you doing, man?
He's on the ground.
Oh, you got the candy down here. Oh, you don't even eat this stuff yet. Beckham's got a rough looking eye right now, man. Bobby's trying to clean it out. You good now, dude?
Kind of like
How you doing, Beckham?
congested a little bit. Just a little bit.
Brody's over here snagging some eggs. Oh, don't fall.
No, we don't. No.
Switching eggs. Put them in different baskets.
Don't walk on that.
What's in there, bud? You opened it earlier. You figured it
I
out.
was scared of Aunt Gail when I was growing up until I got old enough. Now I'll whoop her butt now.
You want to go in the bouncy house? You want to go in the bouncy house? Be careful. Let me get you down. Look at these doggies. Hello, how you doing? Hi. What are your names? Brody was just messing with him. Now he's out. I just hope he doesn't get run over. We got to keep an eye on him. Look, Brody, there's an egg over here, Brody. Look. Go get the egg. Go get the egg, buddy. Get the egg. Get the egg. We need to get you a basket. Get the egg. Good job. Good job, dude. No, walk around. Walk around.
With what?
JJ, this way.
JJ, no!
Look at those big doggies. big doggies? Yeah, they're big doggies, huh? Oh my goodness. They were here last time. They just had puppies, I heard. Oh, big puppies. Cute dogs. Brody, get on, Brody. You can ride on the back with them.
Here, I'll put your candy. Here you go, Jackson.
Hey, where you going, Brody?
Brody.
What are your names? What's your? Well, I know your name.
Trudy.
Trudy.
What's his name?
And happy birthday, by the way, little one.
What's his name?
Did you have your birthday cake yet?
No, not
No.
yet.
Okay, that's coming up next. All right, we didn't miss that.
What's his name?
Brody.
Brody.
He loves sticks.
I know, my brother.
He loves sticks. Oh, there he goes. Cracked your egg. At least it's not a real egg. Yeah, we don't need that. Yeah, I got it. Brody's teacher showed her some balloons the other day in a balloon. He found this balloon. He wants it, and it's wrapping around his neck. All the things that for children, you always got to keep an eye on them. Mother Nature's literally trying to wrap it around his neck with the wind. Brody, try to go straight real quick. I'll take him out. Brody. All right, we're gonna. You got him.
Judy, where's your brother?
Come here.
That's the noise we like. Mommy's good at bouncing.
So is mine.
You gonna have fun? Well, I think Daddy wants you to have your.
Where you going, Daddy?
Alex is opening up her gifts.
Jay and Malachi.
Birthday son, what are you doing?
Thank you.
We got our own babysitter over here.
She said thank you.
Daddy's present. This one's from Daddy.
Malachi. He's going to pass that.
That's too hot.
He's going to get stared at.
A sword. I want to try that.
Balloon. Make it easy for you. Thank you. Hey, buddy. Come on, Brett. Come on, bud. Come on. Look, it's a trash can at home that we have, and you get to knock it over all the time. Isn't that nice? Brody. Brody. What's your name? That guy? How old are you?
5.
5? Wow. You're lying to me.
Jay Daniel, get in this house.
Oh, Janet.
You look like he's 5.
Janet.
Yeah, it's tough. Kid's lying to me, telling me she's 5. She's not 5. Brody's got a balloon. He's good for a little while here.
No.
Yeah.
Malachi, how old are you?
What's this?
No, you're not. How old are you? No. How old are you?
7? That's right. 3.
Chuck and Alex, watch this opening our presents.
This one's a pretty bag. Alex, you want to do this one next?
Too many kids.
Right?
Uncle Keith, can you get a picture?
Alex, show me your card. She likes it. On the front of the card is Rapunzel, apparently.
Rapunzel?
That's Rapunzel. On the
Brody.
hair.
Hey, buddy. No.
The 2 people on the inside are
Bubble stick, you got that. We'll do some bubbles. Hey.
Now Judy wants to get
Birthday party lunch break.
No.
Dress shirt.
I know you're hungry.
JJ, no.
Oh, that's definitely like. What else do you got? Another shirt? Awesome. You're gonna look so pretty in that.
This is a
And another one?
Malachi.
Oh.
good shit.
Malachi.
You can't have 2. I'm just getting 1.
All Rebecca, man. Daddy, I didn't pick out any of that stuff. I wouldn't even know where to begin to pick out girls' clothes.
No. You got one more.
Presents are done.
One more.
You already know what Wendy got you. So let's see what this is. What's this? This is from Mommy and Daddy too, I think.
Start being real fun.
You got another, push the button. Can you push the button on that? No, I don't think you can. What else is in there?
What else is in there?
Go back up. Let her go.
So much going on.
Go back up. Let her go.
And now this one's gonna get up instead of eating on the floor. Oh, banging his head into the canister there. You were being good back home. Where are you gonna go?
Ain't your birthday yet?
No, not the hairbrush. No.
I didn't show her the other.
No, not the keys.
I know you do. You're welcome.
Whoa, look at that. Princess outfit.
Alright, I think that's all of them. That one's Wendy.
Daddy wishes he had a bottle during this party, but he's not allowed.
Does he have hand foot now?
She's touching your butt. My tongue.
Yeah, she just keeps reaching over and going like that.
She's doing it. You're not listening, so you gotta sit with Aunt Joyce.
Like 1 second, like where's Brody at?
Yeah,
like, oh, great. My man, you just take off, man. That's why our house is baby proof. Alright, I had to go chase this one down because he didn't finish his bottle. Grabbing everything in the kitchen, light bulbs, knives. Both those hands up, boys. There you go, princess.
Say that's not right. Say don't do that to my brother.
Oh, we're gonna do birthday. We're gonna do the birthday. Oh, look at that cake.
I don't think that's yours.
That looks delicious. You gonna eat some of that, right? I'm getting you video. Your dad's getting pictures. This one smells like poop.
Yeah, she's gonna take everyone out.
I can smell it from here.
Yeah, actually, I can smell it out.
Woo! That poopy
You're
butt.
tall enough to stand and sit. Stand next
Wanna
to
go
Alex and look.
stand over
He
there
can't
live
see.
before them? They're both laying next to each other, but Brody might get up.
Because you're tall enough to stand next to Alex.
Happy birthday to Alex.
Come here, Jay.
Look at you sitting up all good.
Let
Jay,
me come by
Jay.
you. I'm gonna go over here and go.
Come here, bud. Since your sister wants to be a brat.
Who's crying? Is that my son crying?
Was it cranky time?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know. Everyone's screaming.
Guess you're out of sight.
Daddy's gonna start it off.
You're gonna start it off.
Ready? You gotta put it closer to her so she can blow it out. Someone's gotta take a picture of the cake.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you.
Judy, hold your brother.
Blow it, Alex.
Get
Blow it really quick.
Get closer.
So I can get a picture of it.
Yay! Woo!
Look, that one's already done with.
Good job.
What'd you wish for? Don't tell us. Wait, it won't come true. Don't tell us.
Okay. Whatever. I'll hold your butt.
Oh, you got
He's begging for me to hold.
Oh yeah, he's all about that, man.
I don't mind. It's just like you don't know me, you know?
Yeah, I know. He does that to everybody. Just go up to random strangers, buddy, and let them pick you up. It's no
I
problem.
think Brooks over his.
You know, like them.
Touched it.
All right, Keith, cut that kid. Keith. Yeah. There you go. That was beautiful the way you started to cut that cake.
I want to have that one.
Get your hair out of the way, Jackson.
The pink one?
Yeah, I'm a dangerous man.
I want the pink one too.
Everybody wants the pink one.
Pink, and purple.
Poor Chihuahua. About to get it.
Not yet. You gotta cut everyone's cake. I'm going outside.
Yeah, this cake is so thick.
That's not mine. That's not yours either. I want the purple.
Where's Mickey?
He loves Mickey.
Mickey Mouse. All kids love Mickey.
I know. Smile, mommy.
JJ, don't touch it. JJ. JJ.
He's the one who did it.
Alan. It's not gonna stay. It's not sticky.
Hey Beckham, how you doing? You done your bottle. Look, your bottle's empty. You're done. You're done. Yeah, you're done. What are you doing? Yeah, you're done.
She had to pick up in the morning.
What are you doing? Chrissy, you want to sit back down on your floor? Brody, where's that? And she was like 6 pounds. Yeah. Even like Becca was like 7 pounds.
Oh, I missed it. Alex is up on their
I
lap.
don't think she has any.
Hey boys,
That would be kind of big. But...
playing in front of the door.
Oh, that's beautiful. Is that yours or Sissy's? I think your sister. That's her. That's her.
Beckham, Brody. Hey look. Oh.
I'd be like, mommy is too. Baby's going for a sweatshirt. They can always throw it.
She wants to do it again anyway.
First time is never as good as the second time.
Oh no, now this one's getting upset. What's wrong?
What's wrong, Beckham? Beckham, what's wrong, buddy? What's going on?
What's wrong?
That's right, you grab his nose.
Put your head on forward.
He sees the TV on now.
Beckham! Beckham! Hey!
Beckham, what's going on, buddy? He's like, TV.
Loves the TV, doesn't he?
All kids, man. He's just starting to notice it.
There you are. What's going on, dude? Hi. Unleash your power.
Uncle Alan has them.
Did you wear this as pajamas? Nah.
Cute.
Can you go outside?
That's definitely
Looks
outside.
cool.
Yeah. That's so cute.
It's like, what is this creature?
Back to TV. I'm not the bad guy.
What'd you have? A pen? Yeah, you can't have that now. You know better than that. No pens for the babies. No pens. No pens, buddy. No. No pens. No pens, okay? No pens.
You're always looking for people that are your size. You gonna talk to him?
Oh, she got a troll.
She's gonna put it down.
Can I see your dog?
Will not.
Does she share it with people?
Let me see you blow bubbles. Jackson, you good at blowing bubbles? Come blow the bubbles for the kids over here. Can you blow them over here for my son? Show him some bubbles.
I'll take my Suzies off.
It's not up to me. I'm not your daddy. Brady, you want to see some bubbles? Look, Jackson's gonna blow bubbles for you. Whoa! Yeah!
These are not working pretty good.
You want me to try?
I want you.
Here comes the princess, the birthday girl, out to her castle. Be careful. There's a lot of bubbles all over it.
Sorry.
The princess has arrived at their castle.
She someone says it's not good for me anymore because of the bubbles all over it.
I want to have a wine too. I'm going to go check.
Alice, how's your birthday going? Is it going good so far? Yeah? Did you get everything you wanted?
Hey,
Good.
Alex, do you want to look
You
in
did.
your room and see if your other wine
Oh, Alice knows how to blow bubbles.
I want to see if your
Alex knows how to blow bubbles. Alex, blow bubbles for Brody. He loves bubbles. Oh, that's a cool one. It's got a star on it.
Who's Ash? Who's Ash?
No, I said Alex. Did I say that? I may have said Ash.
Hey! Did you just hit me? No.
But you got sticks. Again with the sticks. My man loves the sticks. Oh, the kids are going crazy now.
Tackled you to the ground.
Can't even get up the thing because it's slippery from all the bubbles being blown.
Here, I'll
Oh, great.
help you
That's
up.
going to get all over the place.
I'll
My
help
son,
you
I
up.
better get that from
Now
him.
I'll hold this.
Let me see this.
Get up.
It's all sticky, buddy. Ugh, now it's over, Daddy. Well, we. Yeah, I can hold it for you. You don't want to play with it anymore? Okay, thank you. What are you going to use that as a sword? I'm just stuck holding this thing. What is that thing, Brody? What is that thing? It looks like it's safe because the holes aren't small enough for you to stick your fingers in, thank God. Brody's in the bounce house. Well, I'm not Mama, I'm Dad. Brody, come down the slide, Brody!
Where everybody go?
Oh, the kids are doing it, Brody. I'm right here. Daddy's got you. You know how to go down these things. I'm probably going to roll down it, but... Yeah, good job, buddy. Yeah! Good job, Brody. Yay, good job. Hey, good job. Good job, dude. Look what you got with some hay in your mouth. You love doing that with grass, don't you? Bless you. Daddy's got allergies too. Look, Keith just gave me the ball. Whoosh. When you go back up, fake bounces with him. He loves it. High, you go higher. Whoa, look at those jumps, man. Whoa. Whoa, big jumps, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good job. There you go. This kid, he's got like a little piece of grass in his mouth.
Does he?
Yeah, like look, he looks like he's like one of those.
It's like
a
Tom
hick.
Sawyer or something.
Whoa, bubbles! Whoa! Look at all those bubbles, Brody! Pop all the bubbles, Brody. Get the bubbles. Get the bubbles. Yeah. Get the bubbles. Get those bubbles.
You want to blow some bubbles?
Alex is getting the bubbles too. Get those bubbles. Bubbles, Brody. Go get those bubbles, man. Go get those bubbles, dude. He's good at blowing these bubbles.
Pressing our bubble blower. Go back to the little bubbles.
Ready? Remember? Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pow, pow, power wheels. Pow, power wheels. Now I'm driving for real. Barbie mobile.
Oh, Oh, there they are.
The dogs are out. Brody! Brody, want to see the doggies?
Kitchen trash.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you could.
I didn't have it out in the kitchen.
Joyce. Yay, goodbye.
Oh, I was,
No.
I didn't get a chance to ask you, but I asked Keith is when I go visit Jess, can you guys take care of Australian holidays? So I don't have to ask her.
Yeah, you can just bring them over here.
They
will wake up.
This one's falling
You definitely
asleep.
will.
This one's over here having the time of his life. Brody, it's Easter tomorrow. It's Easter tomorrow. Whose stuff was that?
This one, okay. The other one, just see.
Jackson, that's not your candy. We have to go.
See.
Yep. Go ahead,
I told
bud.
Alexandra I'll let her know what they
Go ahead, bro. Just go. Drop. Drop.
You're good.
Drop. You got it. Go ahead. Go. Good job. Yeah. Our bed's a bigger drop than that when he falls off it. What's going on, man? We're going to get out of here, okay? You going to say bye to everybody? Say bye-bye. Where you going, Brody? We got to leave, Brody. Where you going? Brody. Brody. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Do the bell. Do the bell. Adulting at its finest. Adulting.
Brody.
Bye, Brody.
Bye-bye.
Bye. He's leaving, Brody. Say bye-bye. Alex, your dad's leaving.
That's my bike now.
He's leaving. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Go get him, Brody. Get him, Brody. All the kids are chasing him now. Everybody wants to get the man on the bike. Brody, go! Brody, go! Here he comes. Oh, no. He's coming back again. He's like, what is going on? There's a winged creature pushing Keith. Come on, buddy, let's go. Come on. This isn't our yard. This is the neighbor's yard. Come on. You see the kids? Look, they're having fun. Yeah. Go, girl, go. Look at the double. Look, we got the double pushing going on here. You stole Keith's. Oh, tumble. Stole Keith's ride.
Stole my ride.
Oh.
They pushed me out in the street.
I know, I saw him pushing the street and everything. It was horrible. He was loving it. Yeah, those kids are silly, huh? They're silly. Yeah. You ready to go home? We gotta go home, buddy. What are you saying? What are you saying? Hmm? What? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. Alright, now the birthday girl is taking a ride. Here she goes.
I got you, Alex. Not gonna fall.
Oh, I gotta stay straight.
But you gotta stay straight if you're not gonna fall. Alright, you wanna go up though? I can't go up the ramp. I'll fall.
Keep riding, go!
Go.
Ring the bell! Ring the bell! Ring the bell!
My turn.
Ring the bell! Where's the bell at? Where's the bell?
Right here.
The bell is awesome.
I know, I have a pink one of those.
That is awesome. I like the handlebar flare too that you got going there.
You don't want riding the road, do you?
Yeah, he'll be alright with that. He always does it with these little hay things. Thank you though. I know, because I used to be like that too. Like, don't get that out of your mouth. Hey. Get that out of your mouth. You shouldn't eat that stuff though, dude. Every time I take it from you, pick up another one. Ready? Let's get you back on. Let's go. Ready? All the other kids are doing it. Yeah. Whoa. Peeling out. Oh no, he's still awake. He's still awake. Oh, you ready? We're gonna go, buddy, okay? Alright, both the boys are in there. Let's go, party's over. Alright, we're home. See how these boys are doing there and they're hanging out. I think Beckham's asleep. What's going on, man? You can't see, it's all reflecting when it's open the door. I know Beckham was asleep, now he's awake. What's good, man? How you doing, Chunk? Oh, your eye is looking rough, dude. Oh, you gotta wipe that thing out. You look delirious, man. You were having some fun, huh? You wanna have some more fun? You can hang out with Dad. Mommy's gonna watch your brother. Ah, you're gonna watch Beckham. I'm gonna watch Brody. Yeah, I'm gonna take Brody in his car. Alright, so it's still nice outside, so we figure take Brody and Beckham out front for a little bit, let them roll around this car. You're not controlling the remote. So that's what we're gonna do for a little bit, take some videos of them. Okay, here we go. Drifted. Daddy messed up the drift shot. Try this again. Alright, Brody. There he is, my man cruising. Here he comes again. Oh, he set his radio shut off again. Watch out, Mommy, I don't want to run you over. Go through this, come through. Yeah! Like a bounce. You cut through there. Should run Frank's old property now. Where you going, Brody? He's gone.
What are you doing?
Alright, Brody does drifting. Ah, I messed it up again. That sucks at driving, obviously. He keeps hitting the button to turn it off. Look, it's you, dude, look. Reversal. No. Back it up, back it up. Back it up.
You look so concerned. Skirt. Mommy, get out my way, Mommy.
Every now and then. Alright, stopped again. Doop 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 doop. Can't ever get it to do that.
Yeah.
It's stuck. Crazy yesterday. We can't get it today. Daddy forgot. Alright, Mom is attempting to control the car while she's holding the other baby. This is something I would probably do normally. And she immediately puts him into a shrub. Brody, you're stuck, dude. Mommy got you stuck, man. Sorry. Don't worry, one day she'll be probably getting you out of a tight jam vehicle-wise, I'm sure, in your life. And she goes right back into it. Reverse, girl. Reverse. It's Mommy driving, not me, buddy.
Don't get him killed. Yay! Run daddy over. Oh, mommy rolling you deep. Beep beep. Whipping it! That wasn't as good. Yesterday, me and him were doing the best drifting spots ever yesterday. I think it's because this one spot over here is packed with all this dirt on the ground. We were doing it just right here. We weren't even coming out the garage. We're starting right here. We'll line it up. Get it up more. Mommy saw it. She was like, what the hell? Don't hurt my son. Messed it up again. Pushing there. Balls! Like. I don't know what his face is like. Beep beep. Yay, Brody! Woo! Don't want to damage the front end. The hubcap came off yesterday. Yeah! Whoa! That was a good one. Get your mama, run her over. Watch out! Keeps getting caught. Uh-oh. He's drifted off the seat. How about we put some tunes on?
1, 2, 3, break it down!
Oh yeah, airplane, dude. Big airplane coming over us. He's like looking up at it too. He's trying to. See the big airplane? Dad, you can probably see it with this thing. Yeah, we can see it. There it is. That's a big one. Becca knows more about planes. She's been on like 1,000 of them. What is that, like a Boeing, like 747s, like the big things? Where's my other son at? Beckham! What are you doing, Beckham? Huh? Relaxing? Okay, Brody's waiting for me again. I gotta get him back going again. Sorry, dude. Daddy messed that one up too. Brody! Oh, we almost took out the camera. Alright, dude, I think I'll stop recording. We'll just play, okay?
Rough Rider got stuck. Oh, can't make it. Plants, Brody, plants. Well, sort of. You got some growing to do. Alright, it's starting to get late. I'm gonna bring this little dude in. Need to get you something mounted here, man. Get your little GoPro mounted to you, man. Mounted to your car. Maybe get some view of it while you're driving. That'd be pretty cool, huh? Need a GoPro though to do all that stuff, man. Alright. Okay. Come park it up. Park it. Good job. Alright, let's get you out of here. Unbuckle. Come on, take your seatbelt off. You can get out. Let's go. Alright, you ready to get out? Come on, you can get out on your own. You know how to get out. Come on. Come on, come with Dad. Let's go. Come on. He wants me to take him out. What's going on, dude? Did you have fun? He's wore out from today. Hey, how you doing? Was it fun? Did you enjoy that? You seem like you were having fun. Little Back to the Future jacket. He's looking all around like, what is all this stuff? Want to see a rubber chicken? I never showed him this. Look. Look, it's a rubber chicken. It goes, look, it's a rubber chicken. And it goes, oh! It's like Chica, but, you know, a little louder. What is that? Oh! I don't think you like that very much. It was too loud. It was silly, right? You know who this guy is, though. You know who he is, right, Brody? You know him. You've seen him many times. Right? Cat. 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 Cat Dada. That's Cat Dada. Cat Dada. Cat Dada. And you know this one, too. You know this one. It's Baby. It's Baby Daddy. Baby Dada. Baby Dada. All the weird things that Daddy does in life. Oh, Baby Dada. What is that guy? Oh. Hello! Yeah, we'll get this guy. Get out there, Baby Dada. We don't need you here. You know who that guy is over there? Who's this guy, Brody? Who's this guy? That's you. That's you, dude. That is you. You gonna be able to get out on your own? I unbuckled you. No, you starting to beg up? Rave party? His other car, the door opens. This doesn't open. Let me get him out. As soon as I he lets go of my hand, he's off. He's off. There he is. His car's all parked. He's ready to go. Yeah, man. Free roam. Not good. Dance, Brody. Yeah! Where are you going? Oh, there he is. Best feeling in the world. Little sleepy boy on my shoulder. Where's your whip? Oh, there he is. He passed down. Oh, wait. He's back. He's back. Oh, there he is again. Alright, I'm going to try to get this boy down. I don't know if Rebecca put Beckham down already. I hope she did. He's done now. He only napped for the car ride for 20 minutes. Yeah, you want to talk? Come over, talk over here to the camera. What are you saying? Now he's talking. Hey, over here. Da, 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 da. Brody. Talk to the camera. Hey. I don't know what he's looking at. He's talking. What do you want to say? Ooh, who's that guy over there? Who is that guy? Who's that guy behind us, man? Who is he? Who is he? Who are you? Who? All right, let's go in. Fun's over. Oh, the other little fat boy is still on the floor. There he is. Oh. All right. Hi, Beckham. You're always happy after a meal, aren't you? Yeah, you're nice and happy. Yeah, you happy boy. I gotta change your brother, okay, and put him to bed. Crawl, Beckham, crawl. Angry crawls. What's wrong, Beckham? Beckham? Beckham, what's wrong? You think that's funny? What's wrong with Beckham? You laughing at Beckham? You laughing at him? What's wrong, Beckham? What's going on, dude? Go, Beckham, go. Are you laughing at that? Or he's laughing at it? You see, he laughs at it. What is up with your brother and the Why does he do that, huh? You like when he does that, huh, don't you? You think it's funny? Is it just my stupid face and glasses, huh? And you know what I think it is? It's because you're reflecting off of my glasses. The camera LCD screen is reflecting off of my glasses, so he sees himself through my big Coke bottle glasses. Isn't that great? Is that why you're laughing? And then you see yourself, you laugh too. I love you. You're so lucky to have Elmo and Mickey join you for bed every night. Oh, I hear Beckham freaking out downstairs while your mom's changing them, getting them ready for me. And by the way, dude, your room is a mess. It's not your fault, it's our fault. I actually took all the clothes out. He has so many clothes from, over time, people giving us clothes, and I think it's time we start giving some of those clothes back to people that have kids that need clothes. So I'm trying to organize the ones that don't fit now. Let's just put the camera in the damn fan. So I was trying to get those above shots. I love this little dude. Of course you know that. He knows that. We love you. We all love you. Who doesn't love cute kids? We love you very much. You were really good today. I'm proud of you. I love you. I'm very proud of you. You know that? I know. I'll shut that light off. All right. I love you, buddy. Sweet dreams. Go to your seat. See you tomorrow. Let's turn this fan off too. Light off. Good night. Oh, hey, creature. Making a big mess out here, I see as you eat. Great job, dude. Alright, Mama. How's he doing? We could hear him all the way upstairs.
He doesn't like being changed.
No, I don't blame him. He does like being changed. Your beautiful hair is in the way. I can't ever see your pretty face. I know, I already know. I've been freaking him up. Hey, buddy. Oh, you want Mishka? Mushka? Oh, Mickey Mouse. Yeah, Mickey. You love Mickey. Who doesn't love Mickey? You squeeze his hand to do it, right? Hot dog, hot dog. Then you go to bed after the song. Okay, bedtime. Okay, Beckham, I love you. Everybody took you from me today. I hardly got to see you at all. I love you. To Mr. Whale. It's the first time ever he was up that long without really napping. He only napped in the car ride for like 25 minutes and then maybe 25 minutes back. I love you. Yeah, it was pretty good for how young he is. Okay, let's get out of here. I love you, stinky face. I love you. Yeah, there's a little smirk. I love you. Get some sleep.
I love you. Do I look sexy to you today?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I've lost so much weight, too. Hey, man, I'm fat. What can I say? I love you.
I love you too.
Alright, I'm gonna go review this video. Rebecca's gonna watch some TV. It's like 8 o'clock. Probably have an early night, and then we'll both be up tomorrow doing it. It's supposed to be 84 degrees tomorrow, so we'll go out in the yard, do some yard work, hang out with the kids again. Maybe I'll record, maybe I won't. I don't know. I like recording when it's nice out with the kids. It's fun.
You didn't want that. You're so
She's like the real cat woman here.
You're
I
so pretty.
hate these fucking cats because I gotta clean up with them after them all the
Look at
time.
them all.
She's up here trying to put like her choker around one of their necks. If he eats it and destroys, like my favorite choker. And now he's gonna destroy it.
He's so pretty.
He is pretty. It's fluffy.
Look at all my
Oh,
cats.
Kitty, see, yeah, she's the reason why all these fucking cats are here. Not me.
What?
They all sleep with her, dude. Like all of them, like lay with her. They rarely sleep with me. It's once in a while. I don't let them. I'm like, dude, allergy season, I can't handle it. Look at these fucking asshole cats.
They're all my friends. Django!
Jang, you lazy bitch. Come here, Jang.
Look at them all. They're so obsessed with me.
It's because you got that thing and we don't ever have time to play with them anymore.
No, they're just obsessed with me.
Alright, cat lady, I'm going to leave you be.
Well, see, look how afraid of you they are. Look at them.
They should
Who
be.
wants
I'm the
closer? They're
fucking
all
boss.
running away.
That's
They're
right.
the originals.
Tabby is scared of everything. He's scared of everything too.
Creechy, give me a kiss.
Yeah, but guess who cleaned up? Guess who cleaned up their fucking litter boxes today?
Yeah, but like I
And guess who fucking fed them to? Oh, no. No. I beat you to it? Is that what you said?
Well, I was going to, and then you were like, oh, you changed the kids. And I was like, fine.
Yeah, you changed the kids. I did the litter boxes. Now, they were heavy. I had to bring them out and really change them. They got to be emptied every 2 weeks completely.
He's so cute. Look how playful he is.
He's so fluffy I could die.
No, Boo-Boo, you're not fun to play with.
Alright, I'll leave you be with your friends. I'm going to go out to the man cave and watch this video today of the kids and you playing with your cats, unfortunately, at the very end. Fucking boo-boo. Get it, boo-boo. Get it, boo-boo. Get it, boo-boo.
So focused.
Get it, boo-boo. Get it, Greachy.
He's like a fucking racket, dude. You're like, she just told me how much she loves it. And I was like, you should go put it on Boo Boo's neck. No, she's gonna like lose this thing.
No.
Luckily, I don't have claws. Should be gone. Still got teeth, girl. This vicious man. Go ahead,
He's
keep
like
going.
not good at catching things. He's so stupid. Look at him.
This is like where our life used to be all the time before the kids. We had plenty of time to play with you guys. Now we don't ever have time. We got a good spare 15 minutes.
This is my kitty. Maybe she loves me.
Up in there. Isn't this exciting, everybody? It's about as exciting as the videos of my children. This is like all we do. This is our lives. There's no craziness anymore. Except for the wrestling shows. You know, you get to see that, but half you guys probably don't even watch that.
No.
Dude, he's gonna fucking break it. His face looks crazy when he opens his mouth.
I know.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm really gonna leave you be. Enjoy your cats and your pizza. Alright, everybody, that is gonna conclude today's video log. You know, family video today. Of my cousin, his daughter's 6th birthday, Alexandra. Congratulations, happy birthday, turning 6. It was an awesome time. Thank you for having us there, of course. Kids had a great time, of course. You could see all of them having a blast. You know, especially our kids as well. It was a good time. I don't know what to really say. I mean, I just finished watching the video. It came out pretty good. Don't have to do any editing, of course. And then we bring Brody out here later on, and he was having a good time in his car. You know, not always like having big smiles on his face because, you know, he was kind of exhausted, honestly. But yeah, it was cool to be there again today, as always. It's always good to be spending as much time as possible with family. Also, it can be very cool for me at times because I have all these videos that they've never seen of them when they were kids. And my cousin Keith there, he was the one with the photographer. It's his daughter. And there's a lot of videos of him when we were kids that my Uncle John recorded. And some other people there, you saw the one man that picked up my kid. Like, he was there when we were little kids. Like, I would only see him at certain family functions because, you know, cousins, second cousins, and third cousins stuff, you know, like. But yeah, everything was awesome. Hope to share this video soon. I hope everybody has a great Easter. Hope to share some of these past videos of the people you see now. They were kids with me, and now we're all adults with kids of our own. So it's kind of cool. But I'm going to watch some more YouTube stuff, hang out for a little bit. It's only like 9:30 now. It's very early. Saturday night. Tomorrow we'll get the kids up. Maybe I'll make some videos tomorrow. I got to start draining that pool. Do some more leaf work in the yard. More leaves. More yard work. It never ends. That's it. Well, awesome time. Thank you for having us. So much appreciated. And again, everybody has a great Easter weekend. Easter tomorrow, or whenever I upload this, Easter 2017. Much love, man. Again, remember to stop judging, start loving, accept others for who they are, and just be yourself. Meow. Take care, guys.